Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we are doing a first impression and review on Boomba. I know you guys have been seeing this everywhere. You have to. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, all over YouTube, Facebook, anywhere that ads would pop up. I've been seeing these also on TikTok too. So I was sent these from Boomba themselves, and today you're gonna see right here, right now, my first impression if these actually work. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I actually don't know much about this product, but I do know they do enhance your
boobies.
Okay, so I got sent the Ultra Boost inserts along with the nipple pasties covering thing, which I'll show you guys at the end. But these are the Ultra Boost insert.
Let me look them up real quick. Boomba. Like boom. Boom taste. Boom.
They have the nipple covers, Boomba tapes, shoulder pads, and then the Boomba inserts themselves. The Ultra Boost inserts, which is the one I have, they also have design for demi-style tops, insert,
why can't I say insert?
Insert, which looks like it's more for like halter tops. And then they have the ones like this, but also lightly padded. And then they have the nipple covers and then the seamless satin nipple covers. Anyways, a lot of nipple colors. Anyways, these right here, the Ultra Boost inserts are $55 and they add up to 2 cup sizes, not 1, but 2. If it adds up to 2 cups, this is similar to the Victoria's Secret, what are those extra super padded bras? There's a name for it, I can't remember, it was so long ago. It's like super push-up or something like that. Anyways, these are added 2 cup sizes. I got mine in a size B, which it only comes in A, B, C, or D size. They come in sand, beige, and cocoa, different skin tone colors. They are triangular, great for low cut tops. Boost up 2 sizes, double side adhesive for extra security, sweat and water resistant, interesting. No sewing required and interchangeable outfits. All right, now that we read that, let's go ahead and open it. It says, thank you. Please reach out if you have any questions. The instructions are on this side right here. Look how cute it looks. Okay, I like the packaging. The packaging looks super cute. And this is what it looks like. Here are the 2 paddings right here. This is what it looks like.
It looks very interesting. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's like a little curvature right here. Anyways, I got a top for you guys that is low cut. I haven't worn this. Honestly, I haven't worn this in, I don't know how long, since maybe 3 years ago. It is a little tight, but as you can see, there are no titties.
World's first double-sided inserts. It's patent. Ooh.
It says stick inserts onto the inside of clothing item. Point the raised padding outwards with the wider part of the padding on the bottom.
Put the clothing item on and adjust breasts to desired height and position. Stick inserts onto skin and press firmly to secure. Tighten garment if possible for best results. Looks like you have to stick the insert on your clothing first and then you stick it onto your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. We'll do, ooh, look how sticky that is. This is the wider right here. This is supposed to go on the bottom. And this has to go on the side. So this is gonna be the right breast. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this and then, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Holy cow! Oh. Okay. Are you guys ready to see this? This looks crazy. So this is what it looks like if I have boobs. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna show you guys without. This is without, and this is with. Holy cow. What? I mean, what in the world It's like instant boobs. Can you guys see that? Instant boobs. All right, let me go ahead and put the other one in.
Final results. You ready for this?
Bam. Oh, she got
Boobies. Wow.
looks like I got a boob job. I definitely give these a 9 out of 10. They're pretty cool. I'm actually surprised, and they're quite comfortable too. They don't feel sharp or anything or very sticky. So yeah, definitely 9 out of 10. Give these a try. I'm really impressed. Here are the nipple covers. They're a little bit big in my opinion, but, and I've worn these before. I don't think there's anything special with these. They're just sticky on one side, but they look like they work quite well. I normally get my other ones on Amazon, so they sent these. Anyways, big shout out to Boomba. Thank you so much for sending me these. I really like them, and I will give you guys all an update in the future to see how these are holding up. Before the storms get super crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I kept it very simple and sweet for you guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you do like videos like this, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.